In this video, we are going to show you the unboxing and how we assemble this utility cart from Gorilla. Where is my phone? Okay, we are unboxing the utility cart, the Gorilla utility cart. And what we have, what is that?
Probably some of the sides, part of the pieces.
That is the side of the grill.
Some tires.
There's tires. They are 10-inch tires. I think you can have. And there's the handle. Those are the side rails, removable. And I'm guessing those are for the wheels. Okay.
Good.
And Dexter wants to join us.
Coming over to check it out. Looks like we're gonna need some a ratchet wrench set, possibly. Maybe some Phillips screwdriver. I'm sure they'll tell us what tools they want us to use.
You got the manual. What is that?
A little card that says,
How's my holding? Oh, that's probably a
they're questioning how it was shipped. If it was shipped nicely.
oh,
That's all there is to it.
a feedback card. Looks like that is for.
It looks like it's the undercarriage or the the axle.
The what?
Possibly something to do with maybe the axle, or just by looking at the picture, it looks like this attaches to the once the box is made. Same with the other one. So we got sides. Looks like we got
So those are
Front and
the
back,
those
probably.
we got four
front and back.
sides
And this
of the cart.
here's the
And
this
there's
is
the
bottom of
base. That's the base, the bottom.
cart. Bottom of the cart.
Okay.
Yes, indeed.
So did you have the checklist of the materials of the
We're gonna get
parts?
that out here in a second. Yep. But as far as the box goes, I think that's everything that was in the box. So we're gonna put that aside. That nice cover back on it.
So beautiful. That is mine.
Okay. Put that over there. And we have.
So he is studying. So Dexter, do you know how to assemble?
He's trying to find out. He's watching and learning.
Yeah. First thing, we bolted in the 2 bolts for the back tires. There's 2 bolts and washers to connect the axle for the back tires. we used a ratchet to tighten up 2 bolts. Bolted and secured the 2 long metals. This time we are connecting the axle for the front tires. Everything is on the manual or the diagram and it's easy to follow. Then slide in the tire
Yep, that's the spigot.
in the rod.
You put that on.
Then put the washer and the bolt and tighten it up. There is the pin that go in the hole of the rod to secure the tires. Then you're gonna bend this?
Yep. Here's your.
Like how? Anyway. Then we have to bend that pin to lock the tires in its place. Do the same process in all of the tires. Put the side rails. It's so easy. You can just see the slot where you can insert those 2 notches to the base of the cart.
Put that.
Same process to
Put it.
put
Put
all
it on
the
here.
side rails.
I wonder if these are supposed to be.
And there is a latch on both sides of the cart to lock them up.
Why?
These side rails are removable.
Yeah, I don't.
For what?
To put the handle, there is a pin that you have to put in the slot of the axle and use wrenches to tighten it up. And it's ready to use. I am so excited. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you think this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you very much. I'll see you in my next one.